Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your LinkedIn creator mode setup to grow followers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer your LinkedIn creator mode setup, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture. Scroll down to the resources section on your profile. Look for the creator mode toggle switch. If it's currently off, switch it to on. This will enable creator mode and give you access to valuable features. Next, customize the topics you want to be known for. Click on the Add Topics button under the creator mode settings. Select topics that align with your expertise and the audience you want to attract. It's beneficial to choose at least 3 to 5 topics. These topics will be visible on your profile and help guide your content strategy. Now, focus on your content strategy. Create a content calendar to plan your posts, articles, and updates. Aim to share valuable insights, experiences, and knowledge related to your selected topics. Engage with your audience through comments and messages. Respond promptly to increase interaction and build relationships. Next, consider using LinkedIn's native video feature. Videos often capture more attention and can help you convey your message effectively. When creating posts, use eye-catching visuals to enhance engagement. Be consistent in your posting schedule to maintain visibility. Once you have some content published, analyze your engagement metrics. LinkedIn provides analytics to track the performance of your posts. Use this information to refine your content strategy and focus on what resonates with your audience. Remember to network with other creators in your niche. Engage with their content to foster relationships and expand your reach. Collaborating with other creators can also introduce you to new audiences. Finally, regularly update your profile and creator mode settings. This will ensure that your LinkedIn presence remains relevant and dynamic. By following these steps, you can effectively transfer your LinkedIn creator mode setup and grow your follower base. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.